Hey guys, this is Mo. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Sony XM4 noise cancelling headphones. I've owned these headphones for about a month now and I'm super excited to tell you all about them. So let's get right into it. Let's start off with the design. The XM4s have a minimalistic design with subtle colors and simple curves. They look very nice and they aren't too big, so you won't stick out of the crowd while wearing them. Inside the box, you'll find this nice fabric hardcover case. This is one of the nicest cases you can get with any set of headphones right now. Inside the case, the XM4s lay flat in their collapsed position. Also within the box is the short USB-A to USB-C cable, which I reckon is going to be useless for most people because of how short it is. Also here is a nice color-matched aux cable for when you want to use the headphones in wired mode. And finally, an airplane adapter, which we probably won't need anytime soon. Guys, I have the links to the XM4 down in the description if you want to check these headphones out after this review. The build quality here won't disappoint you. It is quite excellent. When you hold these headphones, you'll definitely feel like they are premium. The materials used here are really soft to the touch and have a grainy, leather-like texture. The cushions feel very soft and they are plush with some firmness to ensure the headphones don't dig into your skin. The headband is solid and made of aluminum, while the remainder of the headphones is of high-quality plastic. The headphones are able to fold into this flat position for storage in their case, or if you want to tuck them away into your backpack. There are only two physical buttons on the headphones, one for power and the other called custom, which you can set from the app, which I'll show you in a bit. The remaining controls can be done through the touch panel on the right ear cup. Touch gestures include swiping up or down for volume control, double tap to pause or play, and swipe right or left to skip a track or go back a track. Now, in terms of comfort, the XM4 deliver a really nice experience. They are very light and the cushions are very comfy, so I could wear them throughout a whole workday without feeling any discomfort. To pair the XM4s to an iOS device, press the power button on the headphones for a few seconds until it blinks blue. And if you're connecting to an Android device, then you can tap your phone against the left ear cup to instantly pair through NFC. Connectivity on both platforms is great, and I did not experience any cutouts. Now, at $350, these aren't just regular headphones. They come with a set of smart features that you can take advantage of. All the features can be controlled through the mobile app. Let's start off with the addition of this sensor that can be seen in the left ear cup. The headphones are able to determine when you take them off your head, and they can pause the track you are listening to until you place them back on. The XM4s can also switch off if you take them off for a certain amount of time to conserve battery life. A new update to the XM4s is the ability to connect the headphones to two different devices. This is a really helpful feature if you like to use headphones with your laptop and phone at the same time. Because you don't have to choose one, you can be listening to music on your laptop and answer an incoming call on your phone seamlessly. Now, one of my favorite features on these headphones is that you can actually put your hand on the right cup of the headphones. This will turn off the active noise cancellation and also turn the volume down so you can have a quick conversation with someone. Now, once you take your hand off, the active noise cancellation will be turned back on and the volume will go right back up. This works really well and it's very quick, so it can be really useful. Another feature that can help you with having a quick conversation is speak to chat, which will have the microphones listen out for you saying something and will stop active noise cancellation in any track you're listening to allow you to listen to your surroundings, but you're going to have to play that track again yourself. Now this was super gimmicky in my testing. Sometimes the track would stop for no reason or because someone else around me said something, so I turned this feature off and I kept it off. Now onto sound quality. I'm not an audio expert or an audiophile, so keep that in mind as I speak on this category. I personally love how these sound. They really bring my music to life. I mostly listen to house and hip-hop music amongst other genres, and this is really able to excel in all of them. The bass is punchy but not overpowering, and the notes are clear and distinguished. Included in the app is an equalizer to change the way your music sounds to match your personal preference. My listening profile was best matched by having the equalizer off or on the bright mode for some songs. These are easily the best sounding headphones I have owned. Alright guys, so this is the sound quality you can expect from the microphones on the XM4. They do a really nice job cancelling surrounding noises, and they're going to be really good at phone calls and conference calls. The star feature of the XM4s is the active noise cancellation. It is easily able to cancel all the ambient noise in your surroundings. This is great for work, school, busy streets, public transit, or airplanes if we ever get to fly again. Without any track on, I can feel that 50 to 70% of the noises around me disappear. But with a track on, even at 20% volume, the noises are completely cancelled. This is great for keeping your ears safe, since you don't have to pump up the volume too much to drown out your environment, to focus or relax. The active noise cancellation can be controlled from the app. It can be turned on from a level 1 to a level 10 strength. The app will also optimize the active noise cancellation and air pressure to your ears and environment. Now, just a fair warning to those who have never used active noise cancellation before, it's going to feel like you're going up a really fast elevator or descending in an airplane. Now, some users never really get used to this and report some discomfort, so if you're one of those users, then maybe look towards turning them off or purchasing a pair of headphones that doesn't have this feature. And finally, battery life. I left this to the end because it is the least of your worries with the XM4s. The battery life is absolutely solid. Sony claims 30 hours, but I don't remember when was the last time I plugged these in. I could use them for a few days and see them drop only 5%. It also charges through USB-C, so you can carry one cable for all your devices on the go. Overall, I think the XM4s are a really awesome pair of headphones, and I would easily recommend them to family and friends. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this review, then please smash that like button, and if you want to find your way back to more of my content, then subscribe with notifications on. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys next time.